Imagine this. You can write articles, social media posts, ads, even full books in under 5 minutes. Sounds crazy, right? But thanks to AI writing tools, it's now possible. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top 5 AI writing tools you need to know and how to use them to save time and write like a pro, even if you're a complete beginner. Before we dive in, hit like if you're excited to learn about AI tools and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. Part 1. Quick Intro to AI Writing, 03020. So, what exactly is AI writing? In simple words, it's when you use artificial intelligence tools to help you write content faster, easier, and sometimes even better. Let's say you're stuck writing an article, or you need a quick social media post, or maybe you want a product description. These tools can do it all in minutes. No wasting time. Let me show you my top 5 favorite AI writing tools. Part 2. Presenting the tools, plus examples. 930. Tool. 1. ChatGPT. 4. Of course, we start with ChatGPT, one of the most powerful AI tools out there. All you do is type something like, "Write an article about the benefits of reading," and boom, it writes a full article for you. Here's a quick example. Show a generated paragraph on screen. The cool thing is, you can ask it to rewrite, simplify, make it formal or casual, whatever you need. Pro tip: the clearer your prompt, the better the result. Tool number 2, Copy.ai, 4 and 530. If you're into marketing or writing ads, Copy.ai is your best friend. You enter a product name and a few details, and it gives you tons of headline ideas, descriptions, and posts. Here's a quick example. Show a product description generated by Copy.ai. Great for saving time on copywriting and brainstorming. Tool number 3, Jasper, 537. Jasper is perfect for long-form content like blogs and articles. The magic is it writes in a very human-like tone, great for SEO and Google rankings. Check this out. Show Jasper writing a blog intro. Heads up though, Jasper's paid, but if you write a lot, it's totally worth it. Tool number 4, Writesonic, 830. Need variety? Writesonic offers lots of writing options: blog posts, social posts, product descriptions, ad copy, you name it. The best part? It gives you multiple variations to choose from. Here's an example. Show 3 different captions generated by Writesonic. Tool number 5, Quillbot, 930. Now this tool doesn't write new content, but it helps you rewrite and paraphrase what you already have. If you want to avoid plagiarism or just say things differently, Quillbot is amazing. Example: show a sentence before and after paraphrasing with Quillbot. Part 3. How to choose the right tool. 930, 11 shoes. Now you might be wondering, which tool should I use? Here's a simple guide. For general or marketing content, go with Copy.ai or Writesonic. For long articles or blogs, ChatGPT or Jasper. For paraphrasing or rewriting, Quillbot. It really depends on what you're writing, but each tool has its strength. Outro, call to action. 11 to 12 na. And that's it for today's video. If you learned something new or discovered a tool you want to try, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more AI tools and tutorials. And tell me in the comments, which AI writing tool are you most excited to try? I'll be reading your comments and answering your questions in the next video. See you soon. Tone: friendly, simple, motivating, easy to follow. Audience: beginners and curious learners about AI writing tools.